How to make a chicken bone bendy. First, put your chicken bone in a glass jar. Then pour vinegar up to how high your chicken bone reaches. Wait a few days. He's bended. Is it bendy? Not yet. Wait a few more weeks. Then you'll discover that it's bendy and real gross and really disgusting. Bendy.
So what
I have another example.
How did it bend? How do you think did it bend? Why did it bend?
Because the vinegar let out some of the nutrients in it, so it got too bendy. It got bendier and bendier.
How did you learn how to do that?
From a science book called Slimy, Stinky, Disgusting Science.
Thank you.
Bendy.